I have welcome to the EACCES YouTube video. I have downloaded the Visual Studio Code. Let's open it. Okay, and we click on, we'll type Command-Shift-P and we'll try to install the code command in path. And here we go. So we'll get this permission denied, unlink, and this path. So how can we get past this issue? So let's drag this into applications. Visual Studio Code, let's reopen it. Let's close, quit the job, and open it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to uninstall this shell command. Okay, password. Okay, so it's uninstalled. Let's Command-Shift-P again, and we'll do this command, install code command in path. So it will prompt for this, select OK, type password. Okay, so it has been successfully installed. So let's go to a fresh terminal option, and let's go code and dot current directory. There we go. This works. Thank you.